Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 91. So of course the news has all been about the beast from the east this week, hasn't it? And pretty much all of us, if not all of us, have had at least one day off school, one day off of course to work in our Rigour maths, because it coincided with the March calendars being issued, so that worked out quite nicely, didn't it? Anyway, there's this cool weather app which shows you where all the gritter lorries are deployed in various locations in Scotland. So Salter Scott in Edinburgh, Luke Snow Walker in Glasgow, and they are 11.7 centimetres apart on this map. What's the actual distance between them in real life? Well, to do that we need to multiply the distance on the map by the scale factor, which is 4, so that comes to 46.8, but of course in real life the units are going to be miles. So I suppose we just need to have a big shout out to all the council workers that have been gritting the roads and keeping them safe, all the NHS workers, all the care workers, all the teachers, everyone that managed to make it into their work to keep all the services and shops and everything running. So I think we've all just got to muck together for a wee bit longer now. Things are starting to get back to normal, and everyone in the meantime keep yourself safe. Okay, so on to our education story now. This very talented woman wrote a dissertation in only 16 hours the night before it was due to be handed in. So at what time did she finish writing at? When she started at 5 p.m. So we're basically adding on 16 hours. Suppose you could add 12 on first to take you to 5 a.m. and that's going to leave you with 4 hours to add on, which means that she was finished at 9 a.m. just in time to hand it into university. So how many words per minute did she type? So 12,000 words in 16 hours. First of all, we need to change the 16 hours into minutes. So we're going to times that by 60 to do that. So 960 minutes. And then it's a case of how many times does 960 go into 12,000. So of course that's a divide calculation, isn't it? And that's going to come to 12.5 words per minute. What a very talented lady, but not a strategy I would recommend. Okay, very interesting technology story now. So, an app that encourages students to stay off their mobile device. Wonder if it'll ever take off. Well, it actually has apparently in Copenhagen, and it's now going to be released in Britain. So, how many hours will students need to stay off their mobile phone to earn enough points for free popcorn at the cinema? Well, you're getting 10 points for every 20 minutes off your device. So, free popcorn's 60 points. And of course, 60 points is going to be 6 lots of 20 minutes because it's 6 lots of 10 points, isn't it? So, in other words, 6 times 20 minutes is 120 minutes. But to change to hours, we just need to divide by 60. So, that's going to be 2 hours. That doesn't sound so bad, bearing in mind we know how dear popcorn is at the cinema. Now, let's see, flip it the other way. How many points will students need to get 2 free coffees? Okay, so let's start here. Well, first of all, tells us they need to stay off their phones for 10 hours. They'll never manage that, these young people, will they? But anyway, what is that in minutes? Well, of course, we do 10 times 60 for that, don't we? So 10 hours is 600 minutes. Now, if we compare the 600 minutes to the 20 minutes, 600 minutes is going to be 30 lots of 20 minutes, which means it's going to be 30 lots of 10 points. So they're going to need to accumulate 300 points to get these 2 free coffees. And then you know what's going to happen. Say they did it, they're going to go claim their free coffees with each other and then just sit on their phones the whole time. God, if they stayed off them, they could have maybe even got a refill. I'm going to watch this app with particular interest because anything that keeps students off their mobile phones and revising Rigour maths on their laptops, I'm all for that. Okay, so on to our transport story, and these are the new hover bikes being proposed for Dubai. Apparently, they can fly for 24 minutes at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. They're going to just fly over the traffic to attend emergency situations. So, what distance can the bikes travel if this claim's true? Well, of course, distance is speed times time. So the speed is 70 kilometers per hour, so we can put that straight in. The time's in minutes though, so we're going to need to change this into hours. We do that by dividing by 60, so that's 0 0.4 hours, so it's going to be 70 times 0 0.4, which gives us an answer of 28 kilometers. So, Riggerman's sister actually teaches out in Dubai, so I think he's going to have to ask her to get a wee picture of one of these cool wee bikes in action. We'll maybe share that in a later edition. But anyway, folks, that was our What Solutions for the Daily Rigour issue number 91. Hope you found that useful, and I hope you enjoyed doing the stories as much as we enjoyed making them. So stay tuned for next week's edition. We're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.